The processes throughout history. Burial in coffins has been used, even before the ancient Egyptian era. From the Middle Ages to the last century, it was customary for the wealthy to be buried in stone or lead coffins, whereas now it is the most common to us. Coffins are built out of various woods. In recent times, despite wood being the most popular, the raw materials that can be used vary dramatically. Some of the newer materials used include cardboard used in piece boxes, cherry and mahogany. The inner padding to decorate a coffin usually comes from materials like taffeta and silk in white or creams. The lining itself may be backed with a batting material, which is usually polyester cardboard. This keeps the shape of the inner padding and provides the internal structure. Various metals are used for the hinges and other decorative accessories. These may include brass, gold, iron and silver. In modern times, it has become fashionable to use other embellishments such as stickers to personalize your coffin with your favorite quote, sports team or animal, etc. How coffins are manufactured. Coffins made out of wood can be easily manufactured in a workshop using basic carpentry tools that most workshops would have. As they do not require expensive equipment and are easier to assemble, prefabricated wooden parts are used by smaller coffin manufacturers. The four essential parts are the shell, handles, lining and decorative accessories. Shell assembly. Caskets made from steel are usually 1 to 2 gauges steel. If the casket is being made from wood, the prefabricated pieces will need to be cut and measured. The wood may need to be treated if it has not been previously. Painting. Prior to the painting and varnishing stage, the wood needs to be prepared with sanding and treating. Painting should be carried out in a specialized area using the proper equipment to get the best results. Using the best equipment will avoid paintwork. Accessories. The accessories like handles and other decorations need to be added after the wood has been varnished and left to completely harden. Hinges and decorative cladding may be added to the coffin to add more features. However, most people have flowers added to the coffin at a later date to decorate it further. Lining preparation. After the outer accessories have been added, then the lining needs to be measured and placed inside. The stage can be either done on site or outsourced to a seamstress or a lining specialist. The lining is prepared using the coffin dimensions so that it ensues a perfect fit. Packaging. After the coffin interior is finished and quality checked, it then needs to be packaged and delivered to whoever needs it. Quality control management, as well as the final check that the coffin goes through. It has rigorous quality checks throughout the manufacturing process so that any problems can be dealt with straight away. As this is a very sensitive and time-critical product, it is made sure that every detail is scrutinized. Which casket should I choose? This is a very difficult decision whether you are choosing for yourself or a loved one. Take into account personal style and values. Visiting a funeral parlor can really give you good ideas about the styles that you can buy. There are many options that you may not even know about. Visiting a funeral parlor, you can have a look at the latest styles. Looking online also is a great source of inspiration, helping you compare styles and prices. The final stage in picking a coffin is looking at the quality that you desire and the sentiment that you would appreciate.